In a previous lecture, we introduced the concept of AI literacy and explored why understanding artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly important. Now let's take a closer look at why AI literacy is emerging as one of the essential skills of the modern world. Throughout history, certain forms of knowledge have become necessary for full participation in society. So there was a time when basic reading and writing skills were limited to a small portion of the population. As societies evolved, literacy became essential. Later, as computers and the internet became widespread, digital literacy became increasingly important. People needed to understand how to use computers, navigate websites, send emails, and evaluate online information. Today, we are witnessing another transition. Artificial intelligence is becoming part of everyday life, and understanding its basic concepts is becoming increasingly valuable. Just as digital literacy helped people thrive in the internet age, AI literacy can help people navigate the AI age. So the goal is not for everyone to become an AI expert. The goal is for everyone to have enough understanding to make informed decisions, recognize opportunities, and engage responsibly with AI technologies.